Whoa, look at that. Now, I mentioned to you they have long bills, but if you look at the pouch, whoa, the pouch of the pelicans, they are so elastic, okay? It can stretch and hold up to 13 liters of water, 13 liters of water, which is equivalent to 40 soft drink cans. Yeah, 40 soft drink cans, okay? And of course, they are not that thirsty. They will just sieve away the water and then they will swallow in the fish. Now, the next function of the pouch for the pelicans, if you look on at them on land, you can see the Dalmatian pelican there. You can see them constantly vibrating their pouch. Can you see that? The one in front there? Okay, now, well actually, now all birds, they do not have any sweat glands. By doing so, pulsating or vibrating their pouch enable them to cool them down. Just like us using the fans, okay? Alright, now, enough talk about, whoa, look at that. Enough talk about the pelicans. It's question and answer time right now. Now, if you know the answer, raise your hand. Don't shout. Don't let your neighbor know. Okay? Now, raise your hand, I will choose you. But if you got the